Hi guys, welcome to Techsy. Today I will start QuickBooks tutorial series. As the first step in this video, I will show you how to create company creation. There are two ways we can select for company creation. They are Express Start method and Detail Start method. First I will show you company creation by using Express Start method. Click here, Express Start method. Then you can select your name or type your name. I will select my company name and copy, then paste here. Then you can select your industry. I use for this general product based business. Then type a company type. I will select corporation. Then if you have tax ID, you can type it, then continue. Here my legal name is default as my company name. Then I type my address. Then type the city of the business. Then I will select Texas as the street. Then here type the zip code of your state. If you have phone number, please enter here. Then type the email. Then your website can be typed here. Then click create company file. It will take some time to processing. Okay, then click start working. Okay, we successfully create our company creation. Then I will show you company creation by using detailed start method. Go to file, new company. In here detailed start method, click icon. Then type the company name as well as legal name. I will type the same, as well as address. Then city, state, Texas. Zip code, you can type zip code here. Place the phone number. If you have fax number, you can type here. Then type the email address. Then now type the website. Click next. General, we can select general product base. Then next. How is your company organized? You can select by using these options, and I will select none. Next, and first month of your fiscal year, I will select the fiscal year April. Then click next. If you want to set up the password, you can here create the password. It is optional. Then click next. You can select for the save location. It will take some time. Click next. I will select both product and services. Next, do you change sales tax? Yes. Do you charge sales tax? Yes. The next, I will select as it is the default. Do you have any employee? Yes, I have 2 employees. Then we successfully created our business company creation method. That's all for today. In next video I will hope to do create chart of account as the second video for our QuickBook tutorial. So see you again in next video. Goodbye.